but I do want that hinge. I think you want the hinge with the straight back, not the round back. Let's try it again. Alrighty guys, we're back at the gym and we are deadlifting. Check it out. Here's what we got. 185 on the bar, 70 per side, plus the bar is 45. Here's what we got on the go, you know. Every video, guys, there's a story to be told. So here we go, look, brought the camera, got the camera and everything. Made sure I bring the microphones, you know, made sure I had the SIM card. Check this out, look. I don't have a battery. I don't have a freaking battery in the camera. For frick's sake. I got everything but the battery. So I'm on cell phone here, guys. I'm on cell phone. Gonna try to get a few shots. What I wanted to try to do is show you guys how I'm deadlifting now. This is our third deadlifting video. And I think I got more of a hinge going now. I got more of a hinge, so I'm gonna set you guys up. Place is packed, but whatever, we're still doing it. All right, I wanna show you guys the hinge. I think I've been working on it, all right? Let's go. Hope you guys can see there. If not, I'm sorry, but. All right. I'll show you guys from the side angle too. Head up. We already did the warm-up set, working set. Now I'm just lifting the 185. And I will say, I think that's not as much of a squat as last time. So I'm gonna show you guys a side angle. I don't know how long this is gonna last, this video, how much storage I got on my phone. But there you guys go, see, right? You think you have everything figured out for the video, and sometimes you don't. I was gonna go back and get the battery. Whatever, we're here now, let's just do it. So I'm gonna put you guys on the side over here, see if you guys can see any hinge motion. We had a bit more of a hinge there. All right, guys, we got a good sweat going on. I don't know how good the audio is going to be in this video, guys. We'll just roll with it, all right? And I probably shouldn't have worn this heavy sweater. Let's try the hinge again. I'm not trying to round my back as I'm coming up. I am trying to feel it through the glutes and the hamstrings, I think, and then drive through the heels. But I do want that hinge. I think you want the hinge with the straight back, not the round back. Let's try it again. Shoulder width apart. Oh boy, tell you that is a good workout. I feel that everywhere. I don't even know if I'm going to be doing any other. I might just do the deadlift. That's how much I like this exercise now. Set you guys over here. Look for the hinge, bud. Hopefully that'll work good there. Let's go, boy. I don't think I'm rounding my back, but I do feel it in the lower back. And it feels good though. It does feel all right. I'm gonna keep her going. Set you guys there, buddy. I just don't want to be putting you guys, I had you guys on the other squat rack over there. Just in case somebody wants to use it. But, you know, I'm trying to, I guess, learn form. Form is probably the most important thing for me. Like we're only at 185, I don't want to go up from there. Once I get the form mastered, we're gonna go up in weight. But I gotta make sure I'm doing each rep correctly and I'm using that hinge. And like I think for me, it starts at your hips. So you basically feet shoulder width apart. You wanna pivot with your hinge at your hips. Keep your back straight. Let's do it, guys. Yeah, man, do we know you're Don't forget the camera battery. Well, I probably will forget it, but I can see why they say you only need this. This is one of the exercises you only need because it could be the heavy sweater and how hot it is in here too. But I'm telling you, it's freezing outside, guys, so. But I'm worked up, but. All right. Let's go. Really cool, boy. Hinging. Come on. I'm gonna get more power on that lower end of the rep. It's good exercise. Should have been doing them years ago. Well, I tried. I did try. That's when I got hurt. But that's when I thought I knew what I was doing, and I didn't know anything about anything of what I was doing. See how long it takes us before we bleed through this shirt, guys. Whew. All right. Yeah, look at this shit, guys. Can't believe it. It's always something. Every video has a story. That's what you gotta tell yourself, right? You pop this there. Battery's in the bottom. You guys know that, eh? No battery. Look at that. No battery. Fuck's sake. So I don't know how the sound's gonna be. Probably awful. Yeah, and I can't use the Rhodes for the cell phone because I only got the red AV jack cable. Like that. So useless too. Whole thing's useless. All right, my last set, boys. Lower back's getting a little sore. Just trying to stretch out the little. Whew. That's it, bye. Hinge. The hinge. Bird the shins. Head up. That's it. I think we did the warm-up set with just 25s on there. Did a working set. That's like the third set. I think the failure, 2 to 3, 4 reps. So I guess, guys, really at the end of the day, you don't really need this, right? As long as, even if you have just this, because really all I'm trying to do is document a journey, right? And document progress. So that's what I got thinking. I was, trying to take a positive here, and we still got a cell phone and we can still film and record what we're doing and show you guys that I've been working on the hinge. All right. Working on the hinge. I look here, see?